Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make whipped cream by hand whisk. First, ensure your heavy cream is very cold, ideally straight from the refrigerator. For best results, chill your mixing bowl and whisk in the freezer for about 15 minutes before you begin. This cold environment helps the cream whip up faster and hold its shape better. You'll also need a little powdered sugar and vanilla extract. Now, pour your cold heavy cream into the chilled bowl. Begin whisking vigorously in a circular motion, making sure to incorporate as much air as possible. Maintain a consistent, quick pace. You'll notice the cream starting to thicken and form soft peaks. Continue whisking until it reaches your desired consistency, typically stiff peaks that hold their shape well. Once your cream starts to thicken, it's time to add your sweeteners and flavorings. For every cup of heavy cream, I recommend adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. This helps stabilize the cream and adds a smooth sweetness. Also, stir in about 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that classic flavor. Whisk gently until everything is just combined, being careful not to over-whisk. To store your freshly made whipped cream, transfer it to an airtight container and keep it refrigerated. It's best to use it within 2 to 3 days for optimal freshness and texture. If it deflates slightly, a quick gentle whisk can often revive it. Remember, homemade whipped cream is a delightful topping for many desserts. Also, for a great way to stay hydrated, check out the Owala water bottle link in the description, along with other deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.